The Divine Blueprint, a universal message for the awakened era by Juan Valence. Chuckles. Ah, the kitchen where magic happens. Imagine hands combining peanut butter and other ingredients, creating something divine. And there it is, Snickers from heaven, emerging from the microwave in slow motion. Simply heavenly. American life, moving fast, filled with processed food and rising obesity rates. But there's hope. Someone, just like you, searches for health answers online and becomes empowered. It's a journey towards wellness, one click at a time. Picture this. Headphones, cosmic light and sound waves. Names like Kevin Trudeau, Gian, and Nightingale Conant float in. A silhouette meditates, surrounded by swirling stars. It's the audio school of masters guiding us through the cosmos. Music has this incredible power to unite us, doesn't it? Imagine vinyl records spinning, crowds coming together singing in harmony. It's like the world is connected through the universal language of music. And right there on that screen, you see a playlist with 414 songs counting down, each note drawing us closer together. Picture this, an intense, moody poker table, where every chip, every card holds a story. The tension in the air is palpable. Look closely at that calm face, reading the table, calculating every move. And then, as we zoom into the player's eye, we glimpse something profound. Consciousness, purpose, a deeper understanding of the game and life itself. Now let's shift our focus to the trading world. Trading charts come alive with Bollinger Bands in motion, a dance of numbers and trends. And there, amidst the rise and fall of the market, someone sits, meditating. Their breath syncs perfectly with the ebb and flow of the charts, finding mastery and peace in the chaos of the market. Light versus shadow, a dramatic visual of God and the devil at the same table. Show a spiritual broadcast combining praise and truth. Use visuals of famous pastors with energy waves and fire and light balance. A global montage, families smiling, different cultures dancing, temples, mosques, churches, and people hugging. Heal, unite, love. It all started with 2 scoops of crunchy peanut butter. And with Earth glowing in space. This is your divine blueprint. Share it, live it, awaken the world.